Street Africans' 11th anniversary. Did I say birthday? Birthday anniversary, whichever. But before we continue on to the next song, that was the sound of Keita. Today we decided that we're going to highlight Africa's music legend, Keita. As I mentioned before, he has beautiful music. He's been around and he has beautiful sounds, but he's an activist. I'm going to share some more details about his organization if you want to get to know his organization and what the organization is about. He's an activist and he defends individuals who are albinos, who are born with, white pigmentation, with white skin with no pigmentation. There have been issues on the continent as far as the albino people go. So he created an organization of which I'm going to be sharing some more information about his organization. But the reason I'm really highlighting his music today is because he's contributed a lot to the art industry. And his music is not only about having a fun time, but his music is also informative. So I'm just going to share more sounds with him, with you. His sounds are in French, but it's also he's from Mali, so it's from one of the local languages. So we'll be highlighting. I'll be highlighting more of his causes and his organization, but. As far as the whole event goes, it's like we're going to enjoy his music as we get to know him a little bit better. How about that? So let's move on to the next track. And as we share this music, I promise I'll be dancing along. Again, I'm not a professional dancer, but I let the music, I let the spirit of Africa take me wherever. So I just let my body go. So I hope you do the same, okay? So let's move on to the next track. And as we do that, before we do that, we're just going to get ready for if we can get that information about the organization. It's not coming up there as I don't, but as we do that, let's get that going and then we can bring it up. So please, can you, it's not there.
Imatasa, imabonela, tikana makosa. Imatasa, imabonela, oh kana makosa sema. Baby, baby, niena kanata. Ibrahim Ba Bakula Iula Musumina Oh Jinabe Ayere Olo Musolari Kilimatasa Kilima Bonela Ikana Makosa Kilimatasa Ikilima Bonela Oh Kada Makosa Sema Abeli Arabile Niano Kanata Oh Ibeni Mbara Nini Arabili Beni Bama Oh Ayere Olo Mosolarisa Tumabu Moso Dakabana Nebeni Bama Oh
So once again, I want to welcome you to Exhibit Africa Live. This is yours truly, Christine. We're celebrating our 11th birthday. As you see, I'm already breaking a sweat, but I hope you're breaking a sweat with me. So today we're highlighting the sounds of our legendary musician, Keita. If you do not know about him, I'm highlighting. We're just getting to know him a little. We're getting to know him a little bit more for those who do not know him. So I started off with the intro.